Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to do Java programming fast and independently. So before starting this video, I would like to share my own experience with you. When I passed out of 10th in 2005, I entered into diploma in IT, that is information technology, and plus there was everything new in the world of programming for me. So in 2006, I enrolled in the diploma in IT, and C, C++, Core, Java was the basic languages were there. Okay. So at that time, I was not known about what is programming, how to do it. I used to by heart at that time. And now in 2024, I am master in Java programming. I should not say myself as master, but I can say I'm better, enough better than 2006 student in diploma in information technology. So my question to you is, if I can do these things, why you cannot? I used to be a student who used to by heart the program line by line. Okay, even if I didn't used to understand what it is written, why it is written, I used to by heart and pass out the exam at that time. But nowadays, I can write my code independently, fluently, without any error. So, how was the journey? So, my question is, if it is possible for me, if it is why it is not possible for you. So now I will tell you the 5 basic steps to learn programming in Java easily, independently, efficiently. First step, you have to ask yourself that are you sure you want to learn Java only or any other language? If you want to learn Java, if you are going to stuck at Java only, okay, then you can proceed. Irrespective of whatever number of errors occurs in front of you, whatever number of problems occurs in front of you, you will not step back. Okay, you will learn coding at any cost. If it is true, if that answer is yes, please proceed. Whatever program you are going to write, make sure that you know its theory first. Whatever topic, for example, you want to write a program regarding inheritance. You should know each and every basic regarding inheritance, then only go and write a program for that. Okay, for that purpose, that you will know its complete theory, complete syntaxes of each and every line. Okay, for example, if you want to learn Java, it is not that you have to, yes, it is important that you buy a book, but it is not like that you read a complete book and then you start a programming. You will go topic wise. You will start from hello world program, understand the theory, do the practical of hello world program, then methods, understand the theory, then write the program for that. Okay, unless and until you get the proper output as it is expected, do not go further. Okay, so you have to go step by step. It is not like that you have bought a book and you will be master. Okay, you have to have patience. So now we will understand one example. There will be 3 different arrays, actually 4 different arrays: float, boolean, string, and integer. And in the for loop, we will display that array. Okay, so this program is of method overloading. We will take it as example in front of you. For that purpose, I have created display array using method overload. Then it is here public static void main. This is created for the sake of understanding your starting entry point of your program. So main is mainly written in public method, public class, because this name, class name, display array using method overloading and display array using method overloading will be the same class name which will be having the public static void main. Okay, and so that this class will be accessible. For that purpose, we are giving the access modifier as public. For example, this is a method overloading demo. So for the simple class, we will give the name as method overload demo new. Okay. So now we will write step by step. Okay. So first of all, we will create a display method as it suggests, display float, boolean, string and int. So what is method overloading first? It is like writing a method whose name is same, number of parameters are different. Okay. So in this program, we will start with display method, void display, integer array. Integer array, we will create 4 methods whose name will be same, and simple for loop. Okay. And in for loop, we will display the details. As this method will be called from public static void main, the array will be passed from the same. Now, next method for boolean. Boolean and then float and string. Okay. Now, we will create these 4 arrays in our public static void main. Int array is equal to float as the name suggests, it will go with float f declaration. then boolean, then string. So now we will call this one by one. We will first of all create the object of our program, method overload demo new. As we have not provided any constructor, default constructor will go. Okay. Then we will call this display method one by one. Okay. First of all, display array 1, then display array 2, okay. So here we have went step by step so that the program construction is very much easier for us. Only return type and name is same, but the parameter list is different. That is called a method overloading, and method overloading is achieved in public static void main. Now we will run this program. Okay, so line by line, all the data is displayed. First is int array, second is float array, third is boolean array, fourth is string array. Okay, so what I have to tell you regarding this is, you have to read this program 2 to 3 times. First of all, you have to decide how many variables I'm going to need, how many classes I'm going to need, what is I'm going to implement, why I'm writing this line. Not only how I'm writing this line is important, more important than that is why I'm writing that particular line. Same way here also I have explained the thing. Here I have explained you have to read this question 2 to 3 times. Okay. At second or third time you will understand what it is need to be done. After all, if 3 times or 4 times if you have not understood it, please take a pen and paper. Okay, behave like a student and assume that you don't know anything and write line by line what you assume. Okay, it may happen that whatever you write on the paper will not work on program. There can be multiple errors, and we will see in upcoming videos how to deal with that particular errors. But the problem is you have to make parts of that problem, small parts, and try to solve that particular part. And combinedly, that is using the divide and conquer strategy, complete problem is divided into suppose 4 to 5 parts, and after the program is solved, you will conquer it into a complete program and your complete output is ready. Second, fourth step, you have to understand that you have don't by heart what you are writing. Don't by heart the complete line. Like if I am going to print a variable, so I don't have to remember these two lines: integer var, semicolon, system.out.println var. why I'm writing this, I have to print this variable. So what is this variable about? Is it integer variable, float variable, boolean variable? What that particular variable is going to have. Okay, any random value I can initialize with. Or if there is a equals method, you have to test. Why I am writing this line, it is important. I am checking equality of S2, S1 against S2. So for that purpose, I am writing here S1. If S1 and S2 are equal, then only I am going to print this particular message. Okay, so it is important what you are, why you are writing is important than what you are writing. When you are completely understood that why you are writing this line, what is the syntax of particular, suppose equals method, or your, if you want to add something in array list dot add, why you are adding, why you are writing that particular line, what is the syntax of particular method. Okay, in method overloading, why the all methods have same name, that is the only core of method overloading. You should understand, in method overloading all the methods will have the same name, but the parameter, number of parameters, sequence of parameters will be different. And method overloading goes with inheritance. The base class method and the child class method may have the same name, same syntax, but while overriding, your object will decide which method has to be called, like from your child class or base class, like that. And the last step is, if you are having so many errors, please go with try catch. Try catch will give you the exact line where your mistake is done. Okay, if you are not finding out why my output is not coming or why I am having that particular error, at what line I am having that particular error, then you will have to use try catch to find out the error line details. Okay, so whatever I have achieved from 2006 to 2024, okay, complete coding guide, complete coding, my personal experiences, my personal recommendation, and my pure intention is to guide you in Java journey from newbie to a master in Java. For that purpose, I have designed a course that is almost finished. The course is a master class on Udemy Learn Java master class. What you will have in this course, each and every topic explained very well. Then practical examples are provided. For the demo examples, you will understand how the programs are written at that particular topic. Coding exercises for more practice. Okay, you can explore the coding exercises more to complete it at your home. Oracle Sun certification exam related question answers are coming soon for you to crack that particular exam. And at the end of course completion, you will have the certificate. Okay, so link is provided in description. It is also given here in PPT. I will provide the link in description. So if you will enroll, I can guarantee you that if you are not good at Java programming, you will be a master in that. It is my responsibility. I have taken care of each and every student. I have assumed that each and every student is a newbie in Java. He or she does not know anything in Java, from syntax, everything from scratch to advanced level I have completed. Okay, so it is my guarantee, it is my responsibility that you will have mastered in the Java programming. Okay, so meet you in the next interesting video, how to solve errors in Java program independently and efficiently. So meet you in the next session, next upcoming video. Thank you so much.